I might hear this here, you know. I might hear this, which I feel the Christmas spirit. Then people have to make sure they leave some food for me, you know. Because last year I got Keisha yard and a Lasco and Excelsior cracker she a give man. And a surge milk and special cream in here. Watch me on them there here. Watch me on them there here. Watch your code here. Watch your code, man. Watch your code. Now ram pudding the here. Watch me on the here. Now ram pudding the here. Now ram pudding. Watch your code. Now ram pudding the here. Watch your walk on my phone them time and see how me and work. Can't check in me a jerk.
Yes, so I'm Santa. Did you feed Rudolph as of lately?
Yeah, I gave some KC bone last night. Him no want it.
Well, Rudolph is done well.
You mean say Manuel, I can't tell you this is up in my brain right now, you know.
What are you gonna do, Santa?
Alright, pass the phone game. Pass the phone game.
Yo.
So what I go and do that?
Well,
What I go
around me. Be a water shit me a Lego. Be a water
then no man do that, man. Just take some man juice and read the Bible first and forward.
Why?
You watch out, I go be a bad girl nicely with we, no my God.
What you say to me? I lie you tell.
Yeah, man, I saw last year we just spend a nice nicely with we.
Yeah.
We get that kingdom the year right now, boy. So forward.
Me I try forward.
Yeah, man, Don't say that you want a little motivation, though. I want babes. Now, Rudolph, I can't tell me say my front belly. Just tell me say I be a bad girl going to slay with you, man. See my forward there now. You mean you be a bad girl not the slay with you? No, not like that, you know, be just a artist to perform on the sleigh while we are riding. Why you? I mean, while we are traveling. So you can't be a male artist. Babes, you know no love man already be. Come on now, man. Make sure them only a perform. Oh. Yeah, man, be. I want to you. Yo, Sir Santa, me can clock out here now. Oh, so how about them I run tonight, you know? You know how much yard me have to go tonight? But sir, my family want to see me, sir. Hey, don't piss me off. First I come pull and people ask me for road. I have to know since when Santa road, man. Oh God, sir, me hungry, no sir, me hungry. So I'm rocking the rice in the fridge. Shut up here and yam and get back to work. Kiss a teeth for me? No, sir, no, sir. Like you want Santa get dark up in this. Say sorry, man, say sorry. I'm very sorry, Santa, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. Play favorite song,
Chopper bell, chop it all the way. Oh, what fun it is to chop more 10 clients today. Chopper bell.
Another plan, get back to work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Santa, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, baby, me gone now. You're baby? Alright, babes. You're tired? Car bestie. Girl, we said my man Santa came go on nice beach last weekend, no girl. And then he came go on nice restaurant. I said the food nice, you know, girl. Oh my God, girl, me fit tell you, food nice, you know, girl, me fit tell you, man. Yeah, girl. Who is you? My name Grinch, man, baby. How you get to my house? Don't worry about that, man. Tell us you look good now, baby. Not interested. Santana getting a real loving. A different girl they might give real loving for the sleigh at night time. Which girl they may talk about? Every night after you know gives a taboo him gone, you know. Liar tell me not believe you. Call him right now and see if he answer. My man is working right now and I don't want to disturb him. But baby, hear me out. Your body tea and thing and more get to know you. I like you, baby. As me said, not interested. How you get that? Just give me a chance and me give her the Birkin bag, baby love. I'm sorry, me can't cheat on me nice man. Sorry. So you don't want the Birkin, baby? How about me adding a bus down? It look nice for you now, baby. Alright, come. So you see, give me a chance. Yeah, come on the bed. Yeah, man, baby. All the bread frownsy, man. Yeah, man, I know I love onion and them thing there. So, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Him come back. Hide. Babes are back early, man. Yeah, man, baby. Easy going night to that, man. Easy going night to that. I say, baby, me jump a man chimney. He think a shit. Lord have mercy. Me say, man, yo, man, chimney think, you know, man. Lord. But watch ya. One babe. How we not think of onion, so? How me that eat a onion, man? I must spell your mouth. No, man, I'm a human baby. Hey boy, come on. Whoa! Watch how I go on yourself. Nothing babes. Yeah, do me a better talk on me and think more, boy. So hold on, how them I come from? So I give me one for I think more while I give fake bag and horse tail. Come out of me, I don't want to see you again. Alright, Jada Kingdom, I can't follow. See how them girl are wicked, you see, man. Yo, I can't lie to them girl, bro. I can't lie to them. Girl are wicked, you know, man.